Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKGR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at the volume, by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So we'll map out some levels of support and resistance, as very clearly there's several eyeballs on it, if not more. So let's first start by talking about some areas of support. And the first would be what I would call the ideal level of support. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up above 0018. Now, with that being said, if the price falls below 0018, by no means am I saying that implies the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to continue to stay up above 0018, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0018 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently residing at, that seems to be right up here around 003. I realize the price did technically go up above there, but a couple of times it didn't quite go up that high. So I'm just trying to find a middle ground. But I think we can all agree that right up around 003 is that main price congestion point. So keep an eye on that going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice move today, not only price-wise, but also volume-wise. So we'll see how this one closes out the week tomorrow and see if the bulls can continue to build upon this trend or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.